Alright, we're over our buddy Bill's house here, and he's got this engine here that Mike is going to buy. It's a Cummins. The thing is huge. You can see how big it is compared to the size of Bill there. Mike is measuring it out so he can put a pad down at his house. He's going to have it transported. What is it, Mike? A Cummins what?
Well, that's what I want to see, because I forget what exactly it is. It's an LP Cummins. It's serial number 89902. Yeah, this is just as big as I remember it.
Yeah, this thing is huge.
See,
look at the radiator on it.
Put the boards in the front when he stowed it away for the winter to protect the radiator.
Does it have the writing on the front there that says Cummins Diesel on top of the radiator?
We never took the front off.
Oh, no?
The wood off.
Looks like it probably does. Do you mind if we just take the cover off all the way? Or...
No, you're not going to see it on account of
oh, board. Yeah, you're right. Okay.
Now, what we did is, there's a fuel filter for it, but we put another fuel filter in. We had this electric pump here
Okay.
to pump the oil, the fuel.
Right.
But apparently, and then this is the auxiliary pump here too.
Oh, okay, your primer pump.
Primer pump. And then this here is the put it...
compression release?
Yeah, compression release. And that's the fuel tank. Yeah. Okay, here's your job. See the bar?
Yeah.
Stick the bar in the hole. I haven't done that in a while.
Well, she turns.
Yeah, look.
That's good. That's a good sign. That's all I'm going to turn it.
Yep.
That's all I'm going to turn it. We don't want to ruin an injector or anything like that in case they're stuck. There's your air supply. Here's your start.
Yep.
Distributor for the air. Do not file caps or use shims. Precision bearings.
What year is this, Bill?
I don't really know.
Looks pretty old by the looks of the gauges and stuff.
I'm going to say this is late 30s, early 40s.
Yes, I think so.
Late 30s, early 40s. Cummins has been around a long time. They just had their 100th anniversary, actually.
That's pretty cool. Matter of fact, I've never seen this kind of
Is that the dependable
an emblem.
diesel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Pretty cool.
Now we
Little
had
gauges got the points.
we had the tops off there
Uh-huh.
and pulled a couple injectors out
Okay.
and checked them out. See how they are.
Pretty cool.
There's the distributor.
Uh-huh.
All right. I got to put the camera away. Me and Mike got to measure this because he's going to have to put a pad down at his house.
Tape and a piece of paper to write some stuff.
Yeah. And, yeah, there's not much really more for me to videotape here. When Mike gets it at his house, which ain't going to be a while, he's going to have this transported
Yeah.
by a flatbed tractor trailer, you know, a big one.
A low boy.
A low boy, right?
No, I'm sorry, a rollback.
A rollback?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's how it brought it here.
Wow. It's going to be a pretty big rollback, Bill.
Yes.
Yeah.
Twin screw.
Twin screw. So, it's going to be a while before Mike gets to his house, but when he gets it there, he can give you the low down and give you a walk around there. But I thought it'd be pretty interesting just to show you how big this engine is. This thing's huge. All right. Enough of this. Want to say goodbye, Bill?
Bye.
All right. That's our buddy Bill. He's got quite a place here, man. He's got hundreds of engines. Hundreds of hit and miss engines, all in enclosed trailers and stuff and buildings, and he's got quite a collection. But so much for that. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one.